Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove Capcut watermark from our project. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application and I'm going to show you how we can remove the Capcut watermark which always appear at the end of our video. So I'm going to create a new project and I'm just going to pick a random video from my gallery. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and usually the Capcut watermark will appear at the end of the project, this one. And if you want to remove it, you can simply click on the ending. Okay, then you can click on delete. And okay, now the Capcut watermark or the Capcut logo has been removed from my project. And we will be able to export this video without the Capcut logo or Capcut watermark. However, guys, anytime you create new project, the watermark will appear again on your project. I'm going to create a new project and let me show you. Okay, as you can see, guys, that the Capcut watermark appear again on my project. And then I'm going to show you how we can permanently remove this Capcut logo or this Capcut watermark from our video. So you can go to the Capcut setting to remove the Capcut ending. Go to your settings right here, tap on the setting option, and then here you will be able to disable the default ending or the Capcut watermark which always appear on our video or project. Tap on that and click on discard. Okay, and now the default ending has been disabled and I'm going to check it. I'm going to create new project and then I'm going to add my video. Okay, right, and let's see. Okay, as you can see that there is no Capcut ending or Capcut watermark on my project. That's so easy, right? You just need to disable the default ending and the Capcut watermark won't appear anymore on your project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove the Capcut watermark from our video. Especially on how to permanently remove the Capcut watermark. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And then if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys.